Welcome to this peaceful breathing meditation. Take a few minutes to get comfortable and invite yourself to be present in this moment, right here, right now. Let go of any thoughts that are passing through your mind and give yourself the next few minutes to just relax. Notice your breath. Bring your awareness to your breath. Invite your breath to slow down and gently deepen. As the air comes in your nose, allow yourself to bring your breath all the way down into your abdomen, inviting the breath to expand all the way down into your belly, so you can feel the gentle rising and falling in your abdomen as you breathe. Just breathing now, not having anything else to focus on. Just the slow, gentle, deep breathing. Allowing the breath to expand down deep into your core, into your lower belly. Observing now how it feels as the cool air flows in. Then the warm breath flows out and the belly relaxes. Allow the breath to soften and deepen. Notice that the mind softens with the breath. Observe your entire being relaxing with your breathing. Just breathing deeply now, allowing any thoughts entering your mind to gently drift away, gently guiding your awareness back to the slow and gentle breath, allowing a deep relaxation to flow throughout your body. Allow yourself to sink into the heaviness of the relaxation, allowing the breath to deepen even further. Allow yourself to sink into the rhythm of your breath, to be soothed and calmed by your breath. As you become aware of thoughts, acknowledge them and let them drift away. No need to attach to them. Just allow them to gently drift away, turning your attention to your slow, expanded breath. Continue to observe that gentle rising and falling of your abdomen as you breathe, and allowing this rhythm to be comforting calming, allowing the breath to guide you to a place of calm peacefulness. Just be breathing now, calm, relaxed, and at peace, fully soothed by the rhythm of the breath. Continue to breathe deeply now and allow this calm peacefulness to expand beyond the belly. Allow the breath to expand throughout your body. Imagine you are breathing into any tight areas, any areas that are holding stress or tension. Maybe your neck, your shoulders, or your jaw. And allowing this calm peacefulness to flow into those areas. Imagine these areas softening and relaxing with each breath you take. Allow any tension to dissipate with each breath as you become calmer and more relaxed. As you notice an even deeper sense of peacefulness and relaxation. Observe your mind. Observe the calm peacefulness of your mind. Notice how your thoughts have become peaceful as the breath and body have become more and more relaxed and centered. Notice that you can calm your mind anytime you choose by slowing the breath, deepening the breath, and allowing your body to become relaxed. This slow, deep breathing is the gateway for the relaxation of your mind. Notice that you have total control over the relaxing of your mind and your body. And with ease, you can relax your mind and your body through this gateway of the breath. By slowing and deepening your breath, by elongating each breath down into your abdomen, and allowing your entire being to become more relaxed, you can access a sense of calm, peacefulness, well-being, and a connection to yourself. You have this ability to connect to your inner self, the calm, peaceful, relaxed self that is at the center of your being. Take a moment to observe that self. And now observe your breath. Observe your body. Scan your body, observing how it feels. Observe your mind and notice how your mind has responded to this gift you have given it of taking this time to slow down, to breathe, to relax. Just breathe deeply for a few more minutes, allowing yourself to enjoy this state of peace, this moment in this present time.